Hello everybody and welcome to Designer How. This is Jay with a brand new video for you guys. Today we'll take a look at the basics of Premiere Pro by making a simple, commercial-esque montage using stock footage. Let's go. We'll just start with dragging a clip over to the timeline. Now because the clip in question is a higher resolution, it'll ask to adapt the project settings, but I would like to keep this one in 1080p. So choose Keep Existing Settings, and we're good. A lot of media will come in a resolution other than that of your project. In this case, the picture is too large. We can just go to Effect Controls here, and then scale it down until it fits the frame. Because we're going for a commercial-like montage, we'll drag some music onto the timeline. In this case, it will help put a rhythm to the montage, but of course, it isn't always essential. We're going to reduce the volume a bit, because the music is way too loud. If the little stopwatches of the keyframes are blue and enabled, disable them first by clicking them, then simply reduce level under audio. That's better. You can adjust the length of a clip by dragging it in or out on its ends like this. We take the next clip, and we will adjust our composition somewhat as we go along. Play with the arrangement to discover the best results. That's what a lot of editing ultimately comes down to, essentially. So I've added some more clips to the composition, but what I want to do now is for the montage to hold for a moment on the final frame. If you hold Shift while dragging the timeline, it should snap onto sections. Let the timeline snap on the end of the targeted clip and click the left arrow button to skip a frame back. This is the last frame of the clip in question. Now right-click the clip and select Add Frame Hold. This will provide you with a still clip of the last frame. Drag that out a bit. The frame now holds for as long as we have stretched the clip. Later on, we'll put some titles there to end the composition. There are some yellow bars up on the timeline. This means our video preview is not fully rendered and can thus be choppy and janky. We want it all to be green, so go to Sequence, select Render In to Out, and Premiere will render the preview for us. It is time for some effects. Click the Effects panel right here and open the Video Transitions tree. From there, you can select and drag your desired effect onto the clip you wish to affect. For the very first clip, I have chosen the Additive Dissolve, which causes for a gradual transition into the scene. Next, we will go with the Cross Dissolve, which transitions one clip into another. In movies, this is generally used to indicate a passing in time. In short montages like these, it just adds to a smoother overall feel. We are also able to stretch and shorten the length of the effect by dragging it out or pulling it in. The same goes for many other effects as well. The transition is now significantly longer. I'll proceed to add dissolves onto every intersection before we move on to the titles. Now for the intro, we're going to add a bit of text. Click the little T icon to activate the Type tool. Select an area on the monitor. And as for typing, we'll probably want to go with something pretentious like "take back control," or some similarly hollow phrase we are bombarded with on a daily basis. If the panel doesn't appear automatically, go to Window and select Essential Graphics. From there, we are able to fully control the text we have just made. We are able to center it, horizontally and vertically, select a fill, add a shadow, and many more options. Just play with it. Go wild. Okay, I've adjusted the size of the titles clip and added some dissolves to make them smoothly appear and vanish. This is what it looks like so far. To finish up, I will create some additional titles for the ending still. I will just repeat the process of the intro text. At last, the final product. Now, will we be winning any awards with this? Does it have the makings of a varsity commercial? Most probably not. But I hope it at least gave you an idea of the basic principles of Premiere Pro. And if this tutorial has been of any value to you, please consider to like and subscribe. We will catch you all on the next one.